Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter buying decisions. Today we have two dash cam hardwire kits that are ready to take your car's surveillance game to the next level. On the left, we have the Vantrue dash cam hardwire kit, and on the right, the REDTIGER F7N dash cam hardwire kit. Let's dive into the world of dash cam power solutions and see which one comes out on top. Let's talk compatibility, shall we? The Vantrue dash cam hardwire kit is compatible with various vehicles running on 12 to 24 volts, from cars to trucks and even big rigs. It's like a universal language for power. On the other hand, the REDTIGER F7N dash cam hardwire kit also boasts wide compatibility with all dash cams, thanks to its Type-C ports. So both products get a thumbs up in this category. Now let's discuss parking surveillance. The Vantrue dash cam hardwire kit connects directly to your car's battery, providing continuous 24/7 power to protect against theft. No more worrying about leaving your car unattended. Meanwhile, the REDTIGER F7N dash cam hardwire kit also offers 24-hour surveillance by connecting to the car battery or fuse box power. It's like having a personal bodyguard for your vehicle. ACC mode, the ultimate convenience feature. The Vantrue dash cam hardwire kit automatically switches to a CC mode, meaning it turns on and off with the ignition. No more fumbling with cables or worrying about forgetting to start the dash cam. On the flip side, the REDTIGER F7N dash cam hardwire kit also rocks the ACC mode, so you can bid farewell to those pesky manual tasks. Safety first, folks. The Vantrue dash cam hardwire kit has a smart low-voltage protection system that shuts off power to your dash cam when the battery voltage drops to 11.6 volts or 23.2 volts, saving your car's battery from draining. Now that's what I call a responsible power buddy. As for the REDTIGER F7N dash cam hardwire kit, it offers multiple security protections, including low-voltage protection. It automatically cuts off power after 60 seconds when the voltage is lower than 11.8 volts. Safety features galore. Time for some bonus points. The Vantrue dash cam hardwire kit comes with a Type-C USB plug that's compatible with various dash cams, GPS navigators, and radar detectors. It even frees up your cigarette lighter for other devices. However, please note that it's only compatible with specific Vantrue dash cams. On the other hand, the REDTIGER F7N dash cam hardwire kit offers an easy installation process with a hidden cable, so no more messy cables dangling around your car. Plus, it comes with a worry-free 1-year free replacement warranty. Peace of mind guaranteed. Both products have their strengths and offer great features for your dash cam needs. That wraps up our comparison between the Vantrue dash cam hardwire kit and the REDTIGER F7N dash cam hardwire kit. It's time for you to decide which one suits your preferences and budget. Don't forget to check the links in the description to find the best deals on these products. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, and remember, making smart buying decisions is always a win.